My name is Debbie. I'm a dietitian and diabetes educator here at Pella Regional Health Center. And one of the things that I frequently talk to my diabetes patients about is how to increase vegetables. And one of my suggestions is to dip your vegetables in hummus. Now, a lot of people don't realize that hummus is something you can make quick and easy at your house. I'm going to use a food processor, but you could also use an emulsion blender, a regular blender, or even your handheld mixer. And it's simple ingredients. We're going to start with kind of the base of it is garbanzo beans or chickpeas. And it's 15 ounces, 1 can. If you notice, I rinse these. So we're going to put those in there. And then 1/4 cup lemon juice. I just bought the pre-made lemon juice. You could squeeze your own lemons if you wanted. And then 1/4 cup tahini paste. This is what gives it kind of the nutty flavor. Tahini paste is actually sesame seed paste, or kind of what I call peanut butter made from sesame seeds. So that was 1/4 cup. And then garlic, really to taste. I used a couple cloves here. And then 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This is a very good monounsaturated, heart-healthy fat. And then I chose a little bit of cumin, about 1/2 tablespoon. And then you just put your top on your food processor and blend away. So after we blend it, and I actually just kind of walk away and let it blend until it looks smooth. One tip is if it looks a little dry, you can add a few drops of water. And my favorite vegetable to dip hummus in is carrots. I think it looks great with baby carrots, and an excellent source of fiber and protein to add to your veggies. Excellent. So we'll link below the recipe and you can enjoy it too.